Hello friends, in this video I will show how to create desktop shortcuts for web pages using Chrome, website shortcut in desktop with Chrome. So like you want to create for this website a shortcut. So click on this three dot, more tools, and here the option create shortcut. Click on it. Check this box if you want to open as a window. Then create. Similar any website like times three dot, more tools, and create shortcut. Now you will see a shortcut for this particular website on your desktop. So very simple and basic way. Open any website, three dot, more tools, and create shortcut. Thanks for watching.